All right, so let's take a look at the chords we've got for this song first. It's going to start with a D major 7th. All right, and that's going to be 5th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 4th string, 6th fret, 3rd string, and 7th fret, 2nd string. And I kind of bar, just in case I hit the 1st string, I bar from the 5th string down. But index, 3rd, middle, pinky. All right, and then you've got it's kind of like a E dominant 7th thing. All right, like a 9th type of chord. So you got 7, 9, 7, 7. So I'm barring from the 5th string down. So 7 with my index, 9 with my 3rd, and then 9, 9 with my index. So it's D major 7th, and then E9, and then I'm going to go F sharp minor 7th, and that's going to be a bar from the 6th string through the 2nd string, and I'm using my index there and my 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 4th string. In case I hit, 5th string, in case I hit that 5th string. But really, you can get away with just doing this and barring the 6th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, and 2nd string, 2nd fret. Because that's all the notes that you need, just like that. All right, so, but I go ahead and put the 3rd finger down in case you want to strum it. So that's index, 4th fret, the 3rd finger, and then index bars, 2nd fret, 3rd, 2nd fret, 4th, and 2nd fret, 2nd. And then I go up to a G major 7th. All right, so for that chord, I'm going to go index on the 6th string, 3rd fret, 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 4th string, pinky on the 4th fret, 3rd string, and my middle finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. I'm using my fingers for all this. That you could strum it, okay? Okay, so that's your G major 7th, and then it goes to an A major bar chord. Another way you could play this G major 7th, if you wanted to strum it and not worry about skipping over that 5th string, is you could go index, pinky on the 5th string, 5th fret, middle finger, 4th fret, 4th string, 3rd finger, 4th fret, 3rd string, and then bar your index. And then you can really get all 6 if you really wanted. That to me is harder than just doing this. So index, 3rd, 4th, middle, and then you jump up to a regular A major bar chord. At least that's how I'm going to teach it today. So that's 6th string, 5th, 7th fret, 5th. Wait, let me say that again. Sorry, guys. So 5th fret, 6th string, 7th fret, 5th, 7th fret, 4th, 6th fret, 3rd string, and then your index bars the 5th fret and 1st and 2nd string. Tongue twister there. Just like that. So if we run through all those chords, you got D major 7th. You can kind of hammer that on. Kind of sounds kind of neo-soul. That pinky you could hammer on. And then you go up to the E9. And then you go down to the F sharp minor 7th. And then you go up to the G major 7th. And then up to the A. Just like that. So now if you were to put it together, you know, you're not really hearing those chords. It's more of like a B3 organ or a Fender Rhodes type sound in the background, keyboard sound. But you could go. So if you wanted to strum there, you'd go D, down, down, up, down, down, E9. Then you go F sharp minor, G major 7th. That's kind of a weird down, down, up, down, down to A, down, 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 up, down, down. I'll do that a little slower. So you got 2, 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, down. F sharp minor, down on the A, down, up, down, down. Now even slower. Down, 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 up, down, down. Down, 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 up, down, down. Down, rest, down, up, down, down to A, down, 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 up, down, down. Just like that. All right, I'll do it one more time, but this time we're gonna finger pick the whole thing. So you're gonna go, and I kind of slap it because it sounds cool. And I'll hammer that on just because it sounds good. So I did pluck, slap, pluck, 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 and then pluck, slap, pluck, pluck, pluck. When I'm doing the pluck, pluck, I'm going thumb and then index, middle ring. So pluck, thumb. So pluck, slap, pluck, thumb, index, pluck, slap, pluck, thumb, index. And then I just do one here on the F sharp, slap, G, slap, A. F sharp. And a slap in there. That's kind of cool to do the slap. So let's talk about the octave thing. At first I thought it was with a pick, but it's too clean to be with a pick. So I'm going to use my thumb and my index for this whole thing. All right. So here's how this is going to work. It's going to be all on the 5th string and as well as the 3rd string. And it's going to be always your index and your 3rd finger. So when you do this, you're going to slide from 7 to 9. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, slide and 7 to 9. And then 9 to 11, and you slide all the way down to 5 and 7, and then back up to 7 and 9, and you hold it. So I'll do that again. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then the next part is 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and then you go and you slide 9, 7, 5, and then back up to 7, and then you go 9, 5, and then you go 7, 9, 10, 12. All right, I'll do that section again. This is the second little riff or phrase. 7, 9, 2. They all kind of start the same. 2, 3, 9, 9, 7, 5, 7, and then 9, 5, and then 7, 9, 10, 12, and then you're into the verse, which is 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 7. That one's simpler. That's 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, and then back to that second pattern we did. 3, 7, 9, 2, 3, 9, 7, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. I'll do that again just so you can catch it. 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2, 3. And then 7, 9, 10, 12. And then what I'm thinking is the chorus is 7, 9, 2. And then he goes 10, 9, 7, 7, 9. So it's that chorus is 7, 9, 2, 3. So he goes 7, 9, 2, 3, 10, 9, 7, 7, 9, 2, 3, 9, 7, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5. All right, let's do that part again because that one's kind of the oddball there. 7, so 7, 9, 2, 3, 2, 3, 9, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, just like that. All right, and then it goes back to that second pattern again. So 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 2, 3, and then 7, 9, 10, 12. All right, so 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 2, 3, 9, 7, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. And that is literally the entire song. I went a little fast, but if you guys slow it down or go back, and you can definitely rewind it, but that is the entire song.